The only solution to this country is make everybody carry him bag go him papa house go sit down. They say people don dey talk oh. It's everywhere don cast as people don talk come outside say that this is the only solution. Anybody wey say e know wetin go do to make this country work again, that means say the person dey lie. However, we go play the video make you watch am as e take dey happen for that area. But however, welcome back to Barabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Please, once you watch this video, share this video so that other people will still get the information and know wetin dey go on for inside the street. Okay, my people, let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. They say our brothers for inside Port Harcourt, where they call Rivers State, don't come outside, come talk, say this is the only solution of Nigeria. Say make everybody carry chair go sit down. Since they don't want to make people come talk their mind for inside the country, I will allow you to watch this video, and before we come back, continue.
The solution of this country is Biafra. Outside go, Biafra go. The do the war, go. That's the only solution of this country. I believe my people. I believe this country being you see this state right now being Iguacha in Port Harcourt. Yes. If he happens say, look at how informative. If he happens say now Biafra come now, this everybody will have, even Rivers State people. This is people call people that call themselves people. We have.
So now I'm speaking to indigenous Ikwere people. Is this a Biafra land?
Biafra land. Did they tell you what is Biafra?
Biafra now.
Did they define Biafra for you?
Yes, sir. It consists of south, southeast.
It consists of south, southeast.
Yes. That there's no even south.
There is no even south.
Okay. But Biafra is Ikwere man is a Biafra man. Ando man Biafra.
Okay.
Everybody in Rivers State Biafra.
Okay. Did they say Yoruba man to Biafra?
No. That is west.
They did not say so. Did they say Akwa Ibom man Biafra?
Yes.
Okay. You know, the struggle, it's just later they began to do as if that struggle was them alone. That struggle was not them alone. That struggle was the struggle of the people. In those days, they call this side, I think, eastern zone of the country. You understand? When the country has not enlarged to this extent. You understand? So that's why they call it eastern zone.
No, it's a failure. Failure. A certain go change from now. It's failure. Because everything. Something would buy 500 naira before. It's now 6,000 naira, 3,000 naira, 4,000 naira, which is wrong. Other administration no dey like that. Make una help us. Which Nigeria go good self? Which promises go breathe well? Make una help us.
Poor people know they breathe well now.
Even as I dey here now, my breath in the hang because even hungry like I never eat this morning. Seriously? Work no day. Many people don't park their motor because of fuel increment. Some people say their own, say no need of doing this. So we are not breathing well at all. Even the atmosphere itself.
Biafra land.
Pitagua, River State. Pitagua na Biafra land now. You don't know, but you know where this Biafra migrated from. Originally, you know where I'm from. You know where.
Imo State.
No, don't say so. You know, if you don't know, ask they tell you. Get bite of Biafra. Bite of Biafra come from Bayelsa State. You don't hear about bite of Biafra before.
No, I'm hearing it for the first time.
Ask now. Go back to your drawing board now.
So history.
Go back. They will tell you bite of Biafra. So Nigeria we derive the name. We don't derive the name from any Igbo land or Igbo speaking countries, states.
But most of people can attribute Biafra to Igbos. That the people agitating for the separation.
Is Akwa Ibom Igbo?
No.
Cross River is there Igbo?
No.
Some part of Delta State, when they speak Igbo, are they Igbos?
No. And
Edo. Bayelsa State, they are not Igbos, they are Biafra.
Delta was initially Bendel.
Not all of them now. You say Asaba man na Bendel man.
They are Bendel now. They might
Asaba.
From Edo State now.
Asaba, I mean Asaba.
Yes.
You know, so we get data Igbo there. Those people will be, and like you say from Edo.
Yeah.
Who forget Biafra, we go pity you now. We go collect some of honor. Any person, any state, any tribe where they wear like two wrapper. Where the women they tie two wrapper.
They are Biafra.
They are Biafrans.
So Yoruba too, they wear two wrapper.
Hey, we don't see Yoruba person wear two wrapper before. Where you don't see happen.
So is it Biafra that is now the solution to the problem?
To this, even the whole world. Make with the gods give us Biafra. Immediately we get Biafra, we don't go. Everything done good.
Everything good.
Bam,
So,
bam.
but Nigeria no good now.
Try this one that way. Like question you ask me.
Yeah.
This one a question.
Yes.
I know. You're not going to see where bed they from eat. They ask questions. Say which mouth where the bed they from eat. Biafra, Nigeria don't scatter. Nigeria, you know, say don't scatter. They don't scatter Nigeria. Finish. Nigeria don't expire. Now be the wahala where they did.
All right. On to the problem where we.
You see, one thing our people don't understand. You see, this country called Nigeria is big. They have almost problem. You see, they don't understand. They don't know say if Biafra come now, this country called Nigeria will be saved. Not like all this, all this Boko Haram, all this. All this killing of people, killing of soldiers, all this killing of people. The solution of this country is Biafra. Outside go, Biafra go. The do the war, go. That's the only solution of this country. I believe my people. I believe this country being you see this state again now being Iguacha in Port Harcourt. Yes. If he happens say, look at how informative. If he happens say now Biafra come now, this everybody will have, even River State people. This people call people that call themselves people who have rest, who have a good job. Because okay, go to on there now. You cannot see Krema working there. People always working in this year. It's Hausa, Yorubas. You cannot see Krema working on there. Anywhere where things are good, you cannot see Krema work.
So is this Iguacha Biafra land?
It's Biafra land now.
But
I remember when my father they always tell us this Iguacha is Biafra land. I remember when my father is always tell us say this court is named by
Ikwedema no dey agree say this place now.
Ikwedema no dey agree. Why? Because the father no dey tell them the truth. The truth the father no dey tell them the truth. If the father tell them the truth, they know say this Iguacha is Biafra land. Yeah. So that is the problem of these our people. Okay, look at, you can imagine now when we say Ikwedema now, we can now they claim say no be Ikwedema, but we can now. In them now, we can. No be Igbo, but in them we can. I'm actually say in them no be Igbo. In them now, Chibika Mechi. I can tell me say these people. He say no be Igbo. While always their name is an Igbo, my Igbo man name. You cannot answer. Okay, we cannot answer. No answer. Salami. No answer. Musa. No answer. Buhari. No answer any. He answer Wike. But finally, he say you know be Igbo man.
But is it because of the similarity in the language? That's what you are saying.
Yes.
The language they understand themselves.
Yes. Ikwedema, nothing with Ikwedema go speak. One no go hear. And when Ikwedema start today, where more Chigozie.
What do you think say make Ikwedema no they agree say they be Igbo?
You know why they know they agree say them be Igbo? They say they fish cheated. That is cheated. You see your brother, you go say your brother no be your brother. You go see your brother, you go say no be your brother. You go see Chigozie. While you be Krema, you be your name na Chigozie. Your name na Chibike. You say your brother your name no be Chibike. All this is a very big wahala. Where would they first for this country?
So that means Biafra land self no unite.
No, we unite oh. Biafra land unite. We very very unite.
But as this Iguacha no unites with Biafra.
Listen to me. Leave all those things where they talk about. We unite together. The main people, like just like Bonnet people, all these some places, all those people, they know say we are Biafrans. No be we will self they find the Biafra self. Now them they find the Biafra. You understand? Yeah. We unite together. Or anybody when they say anybody, my brother, you see, listen, you are interview me, but anybody will say we will not be unite. We na lie, you know, a very big lie. We unite together.
All right.
Ikwere man, Igbo man, Shekere. Bonnie, all of us, Cross River, all of us
will be Biafra.
Let's all come together. Let us come together. Let us come together and
I don't follow for Biafra.
Yes, now. Edo is a Biafra land now. My father, my cousin's sister married in Edo. My cousin's sister married in Edo. When they come do traditional marriage from where I'm from, local government, in the local government where we are from, they wear the same title where our chief them.
They wear.
Yeah. The same language where our chief them put on. Now the same thing when they put on.
The same culture.
The same culture. So when you go tell me say, no be same Hausa land culture, no be Yoruba culture, now Biafra culture where they put on. So how you go tell me say, no be same.
Don't you know because they feel Igbo people are the majority, while the other tribe are the minority, they will feel that Igbo people want to dominate.
We are not dominated. Even our director, man, the Kala, where they fight this Biafra today, he is not going to become a president of this Biafra. All these people when they say then they fight this Biafra of a thing, they're not going to become anything politics in Biafra land. Now, if you come from Akwa Ibom, if you come from Ikure man, if you come from anywhere tribe at all in the Biafra land, you come a Biafra land. What do you need? Make this Biafra come.
Do you see the possibility of Biafra happening?
Yes. When you see something that happened today, you gonna say Biafra is at hand. Yeah. The only thing we remain for this Biafra, when Masin the Kalo talk, where me at the society, he say he will sleep on Biafra, he will sleep for Nigeria, wake up for Biafra land. That's the only thing we never call. But after the whole thing, when they broadcast, all of them come to raid. This country now, we don't do for our country now, buy our money. I buy my money, I buy 10,000 in 14,000 in this country where I did.
Finally read though, my people. As you don't hear am, say in use him money, still buy him own money for his own country. That one na country of exchanging of money and buying of money. My people, I beg, may you put mouth for inside this matter and may you share this video so that more other people still dey get the information and know wetin dey happen for inside the country. No be small thing o, you don hear am. Okay, my people, we go quickly see you for the next update. Now as we dey do am now, we go talk about this video for inside comment section. Share so that more people go join us.